Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So my hair in this state I twist my hair the day before because I did my parting the day before. It took me 2 hours to do it, so I wanted to keep my hair stretched. So I use my Shine and Jam conditioning gel first, then my Gorilla Snot, and I don't forget to put it in the middle of the hair, especially the thickest part of my hair, which is the middle. But the front, my hair is really thin, so it doesn't matter. And I put my rubber band in, and I use my spray bottle to spray the end of my hair, so it's not that dry. So guys, let me explain. You see how I put the hair against each other? That's the how you're going to use the hair to braid the fake hair to braid into your real hair. Now that's the easiest way I found on YouTube how to do it. So I stick with that, and after that it will be really easy to braid. But let me explain to you how I separate the hair. Now I use 2 packs of hair, but one and I use there's 3 bundle of hair in 1 pack, and then 3 in the other pack. But I only use 4 bundle of hair in total. So the hair is really long, so I had to cut the hair, and then for both part of the hair, I separate the hair into three three hair, so that I can have three hair to do yeah, three parts of my hair. If that make any sense. But yeah, so in one bundle of hair you can have like 6 strand of hair that you can do your hair with. And now you see me braiding my hair. Now I can not really explain that. I'm really visual. What with YouTube. I kind of learn with watching people doing doing their braids. So you're just going to make sure the roots are tight. So once the roots are tight, it will be like really easy breezy to to cornrows. Yeah, to braid your hair after that. Just make sure the root is tight, and once it's tight, it's secure. You just do your regular braids, and I use my edge control at the end, or even throughout my hair, just so my hair can be really slick, and there's like not coming out of the it's not coming out of the braid, so it can be really slick. Yes, I appreciate how my parting skills got better. Like you see the back of my hair, like damn, I was so proud of me. Like it was aligned together. It was falling beautifully. The braids were falling beautifully. I was like, yeah, yes. Now it's time to perm rose your hair. I'm not sure the size of the perm rose, but I believe it's like medium. I use it on my real hair also. And I use my spray, my TRESemme spray, holding spray. I love this spray so much. Since I discovered this spray, I use it all the time, even if it's not necessary. But yeah, you don't need to use that, but you know, I was going to use that anyways. And I use my foam lotion. Yeah, foam, not the foam thing, olive oil, just so it can have a like nice hold. But later on the next day you will see it didn't work because I didn't dip the hair in hot water. You have to dip your hair in hot water because it is not, you know, kind of hair is not like, you know, I don't know how to explain, but it would not work with that hot water. So this hair takes really beautiful curl, I believe. So yeah.
This is the movement for those who. No, I'm not a writer. Okay.
So guys, we're the next day and my curls, well, how can I say that? It didn't work. Like didn't work. And now I just redo them and I'm going to dip the end in hot water. So we hope it's going to look good, okay? So second try. Alright guys, that's it for the tutorial, and this is how my hair came out. So sorry I couldn't show you the, you know, the takedown, the curl takedown, but you know, it was early in the morning, so I just, you know, kind of rush it. So that's how it looks. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and voila. Bye guys.
This is the movement for those.